Our first Pentaxian User review of the new Pentax 17 half-frame 35mm film camera. That's our top story this week. I'm Chris Viola with the July 7th Best of Pentax Forums. Our top story this week, site-supported Jersey has spent a week putting the Pentax 17 through its paces, and he is very happy and very impressed with this new Pentax film half-frame camera. Next up, Vandergus successfully performs surgery and revives a Pentax LX. Also this week, Mr. Stiff-Legged says thanks to Dartmoor Dave for the suggestion of this landscape photography hike. And finally this week, Noel CMN wins the weekly photo challenge with this gorgeous photo. I'm Chris Viola. That's all for this week. Have a great Pentax week.